Hey guys, I'm going to first start out by using the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to be using this purple shade to blend my crease. Now I'm going to go back in with this Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to use this darker purple shade just to darken my crease. Now I'm going to go in with the Tarte Shape and Tape Concealer, and I'm going to do a cut crease. And I'm going to be using my Morphe E43 brush to put my concealer on. I'm going to go ahead and set my concealer with this white shade from the Morphe palette. Now I'm going to go in with this blue shade, and I'm just going to put that on top where I cut the crease. Now I'm going to go in with this Maybelline eyeliner, and I'm just going to put that on the bottom lid. Now I'm going to pop some lashes on, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, I am so sorry. My battery died and I didn't have enough time to charge it and put it back in and continue the video for you guys. I had a nail appointment at 6:45. I already ran late for that, so couldn't be any more late. So I went there, did my nails. But yes, this is the complete, full, and finished look. Let me zoom in for you guys. All done. I did just like this blue and purple little moment with some Swarovski crystals. Oh yeah, and I also got my nails done to match my eyes. Let's focus this here. So that's a little fun moment. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'm sorry I couldn't finish the video. I apologize. Right now, me and my friend Shai, we're about to go eat. We're about to go to this fancy restaurant, eat Korean barbecue, and yeah, I'll bring you along for that.
That's what I forgot to order. Dumplings.
Come back.